Oh, what a nice day. Look at Jessica. Jessica, what are you doing? You know you can't swim. Get away from the water, Jessica. Jessica, get away from the... Oh, my God. Somebody help Jessica, please. She can't swim. Go help Jessica, run. Jesus Christ. Jessica, no. Oh, my God. No, Jessica. No. The water is pulling her back in. Where's the lifeguard? Lifeguard, hurry up. She can't swim. Jessica, no. Jesus. Jessica, Jessica. Lifeguard, please save her. Yes, 2 lifeguards. Save her, no. Please, Jessica. Oh, look. Hey, that husband is coming. Oh, do one of them dead. Jessica. Hey, please, save her. Jessica. They're coming now. They're here.